How to properly use your new bulk lash primer. Start by unscrewing the dispensing black cap from the bulk bottle. Remove the safety seal and discard it. Screw the black cap back on. To dispense the product, flip open the top disc to expose the inner nozzle. Take the small empty bottle and unscrew the sprayer, placing it on a clean towel. Dispense the liquid primer into the bottle opening by applying gentle pressure to the bottle. Close the flip-top disc once you have finished filling the bottle to preserve the product's freshness. If you prefer to use the lash prep with the sprayer, follow these steps. Replace the sprayer into the small bottle and securely screw it back in place. Generously spray the product onto each flocked tip applicator until it is thoroughly wet. Always replace the clear protective cap on top of the sprayer to keep it clean. If you choose to use the lash prep with the dropper tip, follow these steps. Place the dropper fitting into the small bottle neck and firmly press it evenly on each side until you hear a click. Pour the liquid onto each applicator until it is saturated. Always screw the white protective cap securely onto the dropper fitting to prevent product evaporation and contamination. Here's the application technique that yields the best results. Generously spray 2 disposable flocked tip applicators with the product. Sandwich the lashes by placing the applicators on each side of the eyelash fringe. Gently cleanse one applicator at a time, ensuring that you do not pull on the lashes. Always make sure the client's eyes are tightly closed and well protected. Repeat the same process for each eye. Allow the lashes to dry completely. We recommend using a mini fan or an air blower to expedite the drying process. Delicately brush the lashes using a disposable mascara brush. Some lash technicians prefer to use the lash prep with mascara brushes directly. We only recommend this technique if the lashes have been freshly washed with eyelash shampoo. In this case, generously spray or pour the product onto each brush until it is saturated. If necessary, lightly shake the brush wand to remove excess liquid, preventing product leakage into the eye. And voila! You are ready for your lash set.